Hey, what's going on, guys? How are you doing? And today I'll be making a red cabbage indicator and testing some substances in it. So let's get into it. First of all, you need to be careful because of a knife. You need to chop your red cabbage up like this. I know not all of you will have my Michelin star chef's knife skills, but be careful, and you just need to cut it up into small bits. Alright, so once you cut up your red cabbage, you need to slide it into a pot and a pan thingy. Right, so I've got my thing back, and now I'm going to boil the kettle. I'll see you guys when the kettle's boiled.
One go.
Right guys, my kettle's just boiled, and be careful because boiling water's hot. So I'm just going to go over and pour some of my water into my red cabbage, which is in the pan, just like that. Now again guys, be careful, and I reckon that's about enough. You don't want to overfill it though. So if I go put the kettle back, now, because I've got boiling water in there, I'm going to turn my thing on, like that, and now I'm just going to wait for it to start to boil, and then it will boil, and then I will be ready. And so I'm going to test some pickled onion vinegar, some bleach, and some toothpaste in my red cabbage indicator, and see what colour it goes. Right guys, I'll be back when my water's boiled. Right guys, my red cabbage is about ready. I've been boiling it for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's nice and bubbly. So I'm just going to turn the gas off and let it cool down for about 20 minutes. So I'll be back for you guys when my cabbage has cooled down.
2, 1.
Right guys, my red cabbage solution has cooled down. So I'm just going to pour it in to this sieve here to sieve out the red cabbage. And any minute now, your thing should be blue like that. And then I'm just going to sieve out the red cabbage. Now I'm doing this by my sink because it can get quite messy. So don't make too much mess and do clear up after yourself. So I am just going to take this red cabbage out and put it in there with the rest. Right, so now I'm going to get these pots and pour some of my red cabbage solution into each pot. And I'll get the final one over here and pour some in there. So right guys, now we've made our red cabbage solution, it's time for the interesting part. What colour does it go when you add each one of these substances? So we're going to start off with a pickled onion vinegar and just pour that into the solution. And because it's acidic, it will turn red, like it just has. So now be careful if you're using bleach, because it's very strong and it can be dangerous. So I'm just going to pour it into my solution, and it's going yellowy and blue. As you can see, it's like a different density, so it's mixing weirdly. And now finally, with a toothpaste, I'm just going to put that in and hope it comes off. But it's not coming off, so I'm just going to give it a little helping hand and make it come off. And stir it in and see what colour it goes. So it's gone like a bluey colour, almost, as it's an alkali or a base. So there you have it, guys. Red cabbage solution. It's a fun thing to do at home if you get bored. Make sure not to make too much mess. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.